When it comes to audio equipment, few brands can match the reputation and innovation of KEF. Their flagship speaker, the Blade One Meta, is a prime example of their dedication to audio excellence. In this video, we'll delve into the features and technology that make the Blade One Meta a standout speaker. We'll also take a close look at its striking design and construction. Finally, we'll share our experiences from extensive listening and performance testing. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what makes the KEF Blade One Meta one of the most highly regarded speakers in the audio industry. I want to start by addressing the price tag on these speakers, as they cost a cool $35,000 or a base model 2023 Ford F-150, if that helps put things into perspective. Obviously, they are not cheap, so if you've been eyeing speakers of this caliber for some time now, or just want to add these to your future wish list, I recommend reaching out to our team of experts on phone or chat with us at audioadvice.com so we can make sure that these will be the absolute best choice for you. Now, we'll be sure that you get best-in-class service with free shipping, lifetime expert support, and a price guarantee. In 2011, the Blade series became available to serious audiophiles, and since then, KEF has continued to refine and innovate. The Blade One Meta is the latest and most advanced iteration of this iconic speaker design. Now, traditional loudspeakers have drivers producing various frequencies that radiate from separate points, causing interference as they interact. Now, single apparent source technology, it eliminates this interference, resulting in a crystal clear and accurate sound that is just more realistic and immersive. Now, this is accomplished with KEF's signature Uni-Q driver array, where all the frequencies radiate from one single point. Uni-Q technology is designed to optimize sound dispersion throughout a room by positioning the tweeter at the center of the bass mid-range cone. By working in tandem as a single point source, this configuration eliminates the typical sweet spot limitation and allows for a more even distribution of natural, detailed sound. Now, as a result, everyone in the room can enjoy the same exceptional audio experience regardless of their seating position. To further achieve a single apparent source in the Blade One Metas, 4 low-frequency drivers are placed back-to-back to cancel out any kinetic forces and are arranged in a symmetrical pair around the two-way Uni-Q driver. Now, in addition, every set of low-frequency drivers is positioned in a separate chamber to minimize the possibility of interference and decrease the need for damping, which can negatively impact bass performance. And in the Blade One Metas, they're using their latest 12th generation Uni-Q design. Now, the 12th iteration of the Uni-Q now includes Metamaterial Absorption technology, or MAT, which reduces coloration and distortion, and comes with a range of new features such as strengthened ribs, behind the tangerine waveguide, a redesigned tweeter gap damper, Mark II cone neck control, and an improved mid-frequency motor system. At Audio Advice, we just love when engineers push the limits of sound and believe that this technology is a true masterpiece of modern-day engineering. On top of that, KEF has used this research to trickle down this technology into many of their other speakers, such as the LS60, LSX2, and their new R Meta series of speakers. We'll link to those reviews in the description below if you want to check them out. The Blade One Metas have 2 force-canceling woofer arrays, making 4 9-inch woofers in total. The mid-range driver is 5 inches, with the aluminum tweeter that sits in the middle being 1 inch. To get such great bass in this cabinet, KEF utilizes Uni-Core Technology. By combining both back-to-back drivers into a single motor system, Uni-Core enables more driver excursion than other force-canceling designs. This is achieved through overlapping concentrically arranged voice coils, which provide greater output and depth from a compact space. Now, Metamaterial Absorption technology, or MAT, like I discussed earlier, is a game-changing technology in KEF's acoustic toolbox. It features a complex maze-like structure that efficiently eliminates unwanted sound waves from the rear of the driver. KEF's Blade One Meta has MAT that features tuned channels that effectively absorb up to 99% of unwanted sound from the rear of their driver. This advanced technology outperforms other loudspeakers that use different approaches, which typically only absorb around 60% of unwanted sound. Now, this tech results in a more natural and just pure performance. Blade is designed, engineered, and handcrafted in Maidstone, Kent by their in-house KEF product design team. Now, working with Eric Chan of ECCO Design, the team created Blade's distinctive visual identity vanity, inspired by the influential Romanian sculptor Brancusi's Bird in Space. The cabinet's slim proportions, tapering gracefully from the top to the bottom and front to rear, give Blade a sculptural presence, standing 61 inches tall and weighing in at 126 pounds. It is available in 8 finishes with 5 cabinet finishes blended with 6 Uni-Q driver cone colors, including high glass and matte satin cabinet finishes. They have a sensitivity of 88 dB and an impedance of 4 ohms. Their frequency range is from 35 Hz to 35 kHz, plus or minus 3 dB. Now with this powerful of a speaker, you're gonna wanna pair it up with some equally impressive amps and sources to get the most out of them. For our testing, we used our setup in our Raleigh showroom, which features a Parasound amp for each speaker. Using Qobuz, we spent a lot of time listening to these, and one of our favorite cuts was Cigarettes by Noah Gunderson. There's something about a musical performance that is so true to the artist that you can not only hear it in their voice, but you also feel it in your bones as they sing. Acoustic guitar, harmonica, piano, vocals, violin, and drums all play out in a stripped down arrangement with a raw emotional power behind every note. This song has some breathy vocals that were rendered with exceptional detail and clarity that really allowed us to appreciate the nuances in this track. The subtle harmonies floated beautifully in the background, while the lead vocals were front and center with a sense of intimacy that really just drew you in. The soundstage was wide with great instrument separation, even as we moved around the room to listen. And there was a sense of depth that made it feel like more of a live performance and really allowed us to appreciate the complexity as this song progressed, with more rich, full-sounding instruments being added throughout the song. Next cut we loved was Mirror by Madison Ryan Ward. Madison's vocals were detailed and accurate and really shined while still having a well-defined low end from the bass line. Striking clarity and realism in Madison's voice puts you right in the middle of her performance, as if she was actually in front of you recording the song. The piano was rich and resonant, and with each press of every key producing a well-defined and accurate sound. The Blade One Metas handled the piano and all the instruments on this track by Madison extremely well, with no detail being lost in the mix. These speakers delivered a stunning presentation of Lingus by Snarky Puppy, highlighting the intricate rhythms, complex harmonies, and wide dynamic range of this track. The Uni-Q driver array of the speakers created a seamless and coherent soundstage, allowing for easy distinction between the various layers and instruments of the track. The speakers excelled at reproducing the brass and woodwind sections of the song, which can often sound muddled or unclear on lesser speaker systems. Now, the unique cabinet design, engineered to eliminate resonance and reduce unwanted vibrations, enabled the speakers to deliver this track with a high level of clarity and detail, particularly in the mid-range frequencies. If you want to experience these speakers for yourself, stop by our award-winning showroom in Raleigh, North Carolina. Our team of audio experts would be happy to demo them for you. With their advanced technology, unique design, and meticulous engineering, these speakers offer an unparalleled listening experience that truly immerses the listener in the music. Whether you're listening to classic rock, jazz, or modern funk, the KEF Blade One Meta speakers deliver an astonishing level of accuracy, precision, and clarity that allows you to fully appreciate the details and nuances of your favorite tracks. With the KEF Blade One Meta speakers, you can experience music the way it was meant to be heard, with every note and beat delivered with unparalleled fidelity and clarity. If you have more questions about these speakers or anything audio or video related, just give us a call or chat with us at audioadvice.com and we'd be happy to help you out. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming home theater tours and exclusive product reviews. Alright, I'll see you guys in the comments, and I want to know what you think of these insane speakers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.